How to set up Vpnbook on Windows 10. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Network and Internet. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, click on VPN. After you click on VPN in here, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Add a VPN connection at the top. Then you'll find this kind of screen. At the top, click on connection name. You can type in Vpnbook. Then open Chrome and search vpnbook.com. In here, click on Free VPN at the top. After you've clicked on Free VPN, scroll down and you'll find different connections. Select one of the connection and copy it. After that, go back to VPN connection page and paste it in server name or address. Also, make sure you write at the top Windows built-in, which is VPN provider. Then in VPN type, make sure it's PPTP. After that, scroll down. You will find VPN sign-in info. Select username and password. After you've selected username and password, press on Save. After it's saved, click on Vpnbook at the top. After you click on Vpnbook at the top, click on Connect. After you press on Connect, it will show you username and password. Now go back to the Chrome. After you're in the Chrome, you will find username and password. Simply copy the username and password in here, then press on OK. After you've pressed on OK, you will be connected to that server. This is how to set up Vpnbook on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.